Regardez, nous sommes ici avec Joe Foley, et donc nous sommes à Ballyhan Stud. C'est juste en face du Lord Bagenal, hein, vraiment un endroit absolument crucial en Irlande. Le QG des courses irlandaises et de l'élevage. Ici, Magnum Force, c'est le nouvel étalon, tout simplement, de Joe Foley, un fils de Mémas, très typé de son père d'ailleurs, et un gagnant de groupe 1 Breeders' Cup Juvenile Sprint. À 2 ans, bien sûr, c'était aux États-Unis et il arrive ici à Ballyhan Stud chez Joe Foley. Alors, il a été très busy. He was very busy today. Hein. Il a beaucoup marché aujourd'hui, ce Magnum Force, entraîné par Jerry Lyons, qui est venu d'ailleurs le visiter aujourd'hui. Et nous allons parler avec Joe Foley, qui est là. Merci à Magnum Force. Thank you very much, Joe. Was very popular today, very busy today, huh? Magnum Force. Magnum Force,
yes, he's been very busy today, and I hope he'll be very busy during the stud season. I don't know.
So, because why would he be so busy?
Aha. He was a very good 2-year-old, Group 1 winning 2-year-old. So that's what Irish breeders look for. So he's a very good racehorse trained by Jar Lyons, who's just been here 10 minutes ago to make his acquaintance with the horse again. So he was a Group 1 winning 2-year-old, which is important. He's a very well-bred horse. He's by Memas, who's an exceptional sire in Tally-Ho, out of a Fastnet Rock mare from a good Jeff Smith family. And as you maybe can see, he is an extremely good-looking horse. So Irish breeders like good-looking stallions. They're very good judges, and they know when to see a good-looking horse or a bad-looking horse, and they all like this colt, so he should be popular.
He's very powerful, huh? Very 2-year-old.
Yeah, very much a 2-year-old in the typical Mema style. He reminds me of a horse that you saw here some years ago called Dandyman. He's got that big double hind quarter on him that Dandyman had as well, who was a very good stallion, and he looks the same. He's got a very strong quarter in front, behind, very good-looking, stands up a good-looking horse, but importantly, and not always with a sprinter, he's got a very good athletic walk, which is important for people trying to sell stock by him. So if he breeds stock that looks like himself, they should be very popular in the sales ring, which is important for breeders.
Alors je vais essayer de résumer, tandis que nous avons un autre cheval qui était, on va avancer. Who is it?
So this is Sakir, who topped the Arcana Breeze Up sale in your country. And then he went to Roger Varian for KHK Racing, and he was a very good 2-year-old in England. He won his maiden by 12 lengths, and then he won the Millreef Stakes, beating Sharon, who stands in France now and should have been in ring by 3.5 lengths. A very good racehorse, and he's by Zoffany out of an Arcano mare, brother to Lemista. So he was first season sire last year, okay. So he covered 130 mares here last year. And we're looking forward to his first foals.
Alors voici, nous avons fait la parenthèse donc parce qu'on a profité de la venue de Sakir, qui est un ancien top prize des Breeze Up d'Arcana, qui a été un très bon cheval en Irlande et qui a sailli 130 juments l'année dernière pour sa première saison de monte. Revenons juste sur ce que m'a dit Magnum Force, si je n'ai pas tout oublié. Le physique, il est très Mémas, il est très puissant, il est très Mémas, effectivement. Il ressemble beaucoup à un cheval qui a beaucoup marqué l'histoire de Ballyhan. Bien sûr, c'est Dandyman, des chevaux épais comme ça, mais aussi des good walkers, hein, parce qu'il ne s'agit pas seulement d'avoir la masse, mais il faut aussi l'amplitude. Et ça, c'est très important parce que les éleveurs hollandais veulent de la précocité, mais aussi ils veulent des chevaux qui vont pouvoir parvenir à vendre en tant que yearling. Et pour ça, il y a une chose indispensable, c'est l'amplitude au pas, good walker. Donc Magnum Force qui débute. How much is he, Magnum Force?
€7,500.
Only?
Yeah.
Seulement 7500 livres?
Yes, very good value, we think. We set him at a very good value to appeal to breeders, and he is filling very quickly.
Ok, l'important c'est de le remplir, c'est de lui apporter le maximum de juments et donc d'avoir un prix qui soit vraiment très attractif. 7500 € pour Magnum Force.